Welcome again, my fellows, and today we are going to talk about area of regular figures. And we have here we are going to talk about rectangle, triangle, parallelogram, trapezium. So, for example, let's start with the how to find the figures. Let's say we can be given, for example, let's say rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Now, to find the area of a rectangle, its area is gotten by the formula L times W, that is length times width, okay? And then the second figure is triangle, okay? It's triangle. Its area is gotten by a half base times height, okay? Okay, and the third one we have parallelogram, okay? It's good to note it down. Parallelogram, okay? And its area is gotten by 2 into a half base times height, okay? The fourth one we have trapezium. In our next class we are going to tackle each and every figure, okay? So for now let's have the formulas down for easy understanding of the next class, okay? For the trapezium, it will be a half into a plus b times height. So is the sum is just the sides, summation of the sides times height, okay? So for example, can I be given the following example? Let's have it examples, okay, of how to go about it. In a question can be given, let's say example 1, length of a rectangle. Let's note it down. Length of rectangle is twice its width, okay? Okay. Then we are told its perimeter is 4 centimeter more than its length, okay? More than its length. Welcome again, and today we are going to discuss about area of a sector of a circle. This is the easy subtopic in mathematics, and let's start with having its formula written down. Area, its formula is given by theta. That's the angle subtended by the radius over 360 pi r squared. Let's check on the example. Let's have for examples. You can be given. Let's have it example 1. Find area of a sector of a circle with the following radius, and the subtended angle at the center, okay? At the center. So radius we are given to be 2 centimeter, and theta, which is the angle, we are given to be 203 degrees, okay? So to find the area as per the formula is theta over 360 pi r squared. So we go by theta, which is 203 degrees over 360 times pi. We are given to be 22. Let's use 22 over 7 times radius, which is 2. That will be 2 squared. Okay, so this is the same as 203 times 22 times 2 times 2 over 360 times 7. Okay, and now the radius, no, I mean the area we are going to get, the area we are getting is 7.086 centimeters squared. Okay, and then another one can also be given a figure. Let's have this. Let's draw it. Welcome again, my fellows learned men, and today we are going to talk about or discuss something about a bit of part of circles, and today we are going to tackle such in these questions. For example, okay, in short, we are going to talk about length and the radius of a circle in short. So for example, can be told like in this question here, radius of a circle is 7 centimeter. Find circumference of a circle, hence find the length of an arc which subtend an angle of 45 degrees at the center. Okay, so first of all we have to find the circumference, and the circumference is equal to be 2 pi r. And to get the length of a circle is theta over 360 2 pi r. Okay, so let's start with finding the circumference, is equal to C is equal to be 2 pi r, and we go ahead and we are given pi. Okay, we are not given pi, then we take pi to be 22 over 7, so it will be 2 so it will be 2 times 22 over 7 times radius, which is 7. Okay, so when we multiply that, the circumference will be 44 centimeter. Okay, now we have the circumference. What is remaining is not find the length, and the length here we have length, our formula will be theta over 360 times 2 pi r, and then our theta is 45, so it will be 45 degrees over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times our radius, which is 7. So this is the same as 45 times 2 times 22 times 7 over 360 times 7, and the length will be after doing that, the length will find to be 5.5 centimeters. Okay, sorry, that's how it will be our length, and that's how to find the length and the circumference. And then our next question is, length of an arc of a circle is 9.42 centimeter. If diameter of a circle is 10 centimeter, find angle subtended by the arc at the center. Pi were given to